What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we've got something sweet. Today we're actually looking at a subscription box. Now, this is called Tokyo Treat, and what they specialize in is bringing you authentic Japanese snacks and candies. They send these directly to your door from anywhere in the world. Now, they have two different subscription boxes. They've got the classic one, which is like 25 bucks a month, and then they've got the premium one, which is like 35 bucks a month. Each one comes with a bunch of different stuff in it, but I believe they sent me over the premium, which is great. Oh my God, this thing is cram-packed full of stuff. This is the guide that kind of gives you an idea of everything that you're gonna find in this box, which is good because, you know, I can't read that. So we should see like strawberry shortcake Pepsi, what? Okay, shrimp mayonnaise, what? So they have a variation of stuff in here. One is dagashi. I believe that's the word for your like cheap everyday snacks. And then they have a thing called kanose, which is healthy snacks. So we should find some healthy stuff in here too. And let's just see what we got here. Oh, well, we're gonna try it all too. Oh my goodness, look at this. What? Okay, all right. You know what? Let's just, we're just gonna do this. Bam. Spread the love, post and tag, hashtag Tokyo Treat. I will do that. This is strawberry chocolate latte pie nome sweet. I don't know if I pronounced any of that right. Ooh. What is this? Look at that little thing. It's like a cookie cracker thingy. Mmm, that's pretty good. Flaky, lightly chocolate. It's not heavy. I can get down with that. Let's see, what is this? That is a, oh my goodness. Umebo shrimp mayonnaise. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. What is going on here? What is this? Oh, dang it. I'm a fan of shrimp and I like mayonnaise, but I don't know. Here we go. Hey, it's got a slight, it's like saltiness to it. You can definitely taste a little bit of the shrimp. Oh man, that's really good. This is a, oh, that's gum. Okay, we're gonna save that for last. Strawberry barley puffs. I like strawberry. I'm a big fan of fruits. It's just a hint of strawberry. Corn pops? Is it corn pops? I think it's corn pops. Yeah, it's like a cereal. That's not bad. All right, now we're getting on to the anime DIY milkshake. Oh, I have to put milk in it. Okay, I'm gonna save that for last. Koikea sour plum chips. Oh yeah, look at that. This looks like chips. It's like a hint of red on there. They're subtle, but they're kind of sweet. That's different. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like some sort of like a chocolate log. Oh, whoa. What is going on here? You know, one thing that I noticed going through these so far is that all their snacks, they're not overly sweet. Like here in America, when you get a candy, you could expect it to be 90% sugar, like straight up mouthful of sugar. These are light and airy snacks. I'm really liking these. Whoa. Yeah, that's definitely chocolate. When you bite into it, it's cool because it's actually got like, as if like you took just straight chocolate and then filled it with air and made it crunchy. That's what that tastes like. That is really good. That is an ice cream lolly. It's a sucker. All right, we're gonna save that till later. Rose X berry? Oh, they're mints, they're little mints. Okay, we'll try that later with the other stuff. Whoa. Okay, it's some sort of a cocoa wafer. That's awesome, they're giving me so much. Oh, see, they're like wafery, airy balls. Look at that. It's like a little cream puff pastry with just a dab of like chocolate in the center. This one's kind of like, this one's got a hole through it, but okay, this one's not in here either, but from the picture, it's some sort of a wafer. Oh, it's all broken. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a chocolate wafer. That one's really good. The chocolate is real creamy. Oh man. So here's a big bag of strawberry chocolate. Maroyaka milk chocolate strawberry party pack. So in the premium box, you get a party pack, which is essentially a big like bag of candy. So there we go. Oh man. Oh my God. That's so good. The perfect ratio of chocolate and strawberry. Ginza husk strawberry. Oh man, this one's gonna be good. Oh, I love strawberry. That's so good. Strawberry shortcake Pepsi. This is gonna be different. Almost like a cream soda. Wow. Wow, that's different. It's pretty good. It's like a, yeah, it's like a cream soda. If you're already a Pepsi fan, or you like Christmas, because it's a Christmas cola, and you like strawberry shortcake, you might as well give it a shot. That's pretty good. It's not bad. Okay, so now we've got the last product. So I got a sucker, I've got some gum, I think those are mints, and I got a milkshake. So a part of the premium box is you get like an anime treat. So whether it be this, or it be the One Punch Man, or Dragon Ball Z, or something like that, you're gonna get some sort of a treat that is, you know, it's like from an anime, which is really cool. Let me see, there's actually instructions in here, because on the back, it shows you how to do it, but unless you can read that, you're gonna need this. With this little cup and this mix, you make a milkshake. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some milk. So I got some milk, and now all we gotta do is pour this in. Now, you're supposed to shake it up in here. I don't know how big of a mess it's gonna make, but here we go. There it is. Poke it in there. That's pretty good. Man, I'm gonna have a sugar rush. Let's try the sucker. What the? What is that? Oh, it's supposed to be like ice cream scoops. And of course, strawberry. It's almost like Tokyo Treat. You guys know exactly what I want. Oh, it's sweet. I've got so much chocolate and strawberry in my mouth now. All I can taste is strawberry. Here we go. That's pretty good. It's like a butterscotch cream almost, along with strawberry. That's a really good mix. I guess I'll try the mint first. Whoa. Very perfumey, very flowery, but sweet. It's not bad. Like, you'd think it'd be like bitter or something. It's really good. And then the long chewing gum. It feels like just a long piece of chewing gum. Oh, what's up with the color? Whoa, what is that? What is that? Sour long gum that comes in a cola flavor. Almost like a root beer? Pretty good. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. That's really good. Oh man. Now, again, this is the premium pack. So for 35 bucks, you're gonna get all of this per month. Now, it's gonna change every month, which is awesome. So you're gonna get something new every time. And it's really interesting to actually be able to, you know, have something like this come to your house. Definitely check out this box, man. Look at all this stuff. This is way more than I'm ever gonna need. I'm not gonna eat all this, I can't. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Definitely go check it out for yourself. But as for now, sayonara. That's Japanese for goodbye. But get out of here.